Ditch the busy work and supercharge your Liondesk with automated power. First, head over to Zapier and click Create to build a new Zap. This is where the magic happens, connecting Liondesk with other apps to save you tons of time. Now, you'll set up your trigger. This is the event that will kick off your automation. Think of it as the when this happens part of your Zap search and select Liondesk from the app list. You'll see several trigger options, things like new contact, contact updated, or new appointment. Choose the trigger that best fits your needs. For example, let's select new contact. Next, you'll connect your Liondesk account to Zapier. When prompted, log into your Liondesk account within Zapier and authorize access. This allows Zapier to communicate with your Liondesk data if your account is connected. A test option to ensure all is set up is properly. Time to test your trigger. Zapier will pull in some recent data from your Liondesk account to ensure everything is working correctly. Click Test Trigger. If successful, you'll see sample contact data. Next, it's time to set up the action. This is the do this part of your Zap. Choose an application that you'd like to integrate with along with Liondesk, such as Google Sheets or Gmail. Search the list from apps and select the one that you'd like to connect to. Select what action you want your app to do, such as create spreadsheet row. If connecting to Google Sheets, then connect to your account. Customize how data should be transferred between Liondesk and the app of your choice. This part requires you to map the fields, selecting elements that you want to transfer from Liondesk's contact fields like first name to the corresponding fields in Google Sheets or other applications. Now, test your action. Zapier will create a test action, like adding a row to a Google Sheet. Based on the information you provided, verify that the action was completed successfully. Finally, turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever your trigger event happens in Liondesk, Zapier will automatically and instantly perform the action you configured. This is how you get your time back and work more efficiently.